Boss babe. A strong, confident woman focused on her goals. Example: Sana just launched her own fashion brand. She's such a boss babe. Queen. A woman who is respected, admired, and confident. Example: You're handling everything so well, you're a queen. Hot girl era. A phase in life where a woman prioritizes herself, her confidence, and her happiness. Example: I've started working out, traveling, and focusing on myself. It's my hot girl era. It girl. A fashionable, trend-setting woman admired by others. Example: Look at Emma's outfit. She's the it girl of our group. Slay. To perform exceptionally well or look amazing. Example: You slayed your presentation today. Mom vibes. A woman showing caring or nurturing energy. Example: Aisha always has snacks and tissues for everyone. Total mom vibes. Girl boss. A woman who takes charge and is a leader in her field. Example: Her company just hit $1 million mark. She's a true girl boss. Glow up. A transformation, often physical or emotional. Example: Look at her pictures from last year. Her glow up is incredible. Bestie. A close friend or someone you consider like family. Example: I always share my secrets with my bestie. Wifey material. A woman who has qualities someone might look for in a lifelong partner. Example: She's kind, smart, and caring. Definitely wifey material. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.